What if I told you? In the next 12 months, spending just 1 hour per day, you could build an AI robot that follows you, a programmable drone, and a fully autonomous machine running real artificial intelligence. No engineering degree required, no expensive lab, just consistency. And if you live in India, this is the best time in history to start robotics. Let me show you the exact roadmap. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm sharing a step-by-step 2026 roadmap to become an AI robotics builder, even if you're starting from zero. This roadmap is divided into 4 phases, and each phase builds one real project. Let's start with Phase 1. Phase 1. The brain and code. Go learn how to talk to machines. Step 1. Learn Python. Your robot's brain is code. Spend your first month learning variables, loops, functions, basic automation. Just 1 hour daily, 40 minutes coding, 20 minutes learning. Step 2. Learn electronics. An Arduino starter kit, around 1,500 rupees. You'll learn voltage sensors, motors, how software controls hardware, your first victory, making an LED blink. It sounds simple, but this is the moment software becomes reality. Step 3. Build your first robot. You assemble a 2-wheel robot. Add an ultrasonic sensor. Now your robot avoids walls automatically. Congratulations. You just built your first autonomous system. Phase 2. Give your robot eyes. Now we add AI, computer vision. Using Python and OpenCV, your laptop camera learns to detect faces, track colors, recognize movement. You are literally teaching machines to see. Eye camera upgrade. Next, buy an ESP32 camera or AI vision sensor. Now your robot doesn't just move, it recognizes you. Integration project. By now your robot becomes a face-following AI robot. You walk, it follows. This is where beginners officially become builders. Phase 3. The drone journey. Ground robots are 2D. Now we move to the sky. Learn drone physics. Before flying anything, practice in simulatores. You learn stabilization, PID control, drone physics, zero crashes, zero cost. First programmable drone. Buy a beginner programmable drone like Pluto Nano. Important rule: don't just fly it. Control it using code. Make it take off, hover, and land automatically. You are now programming flight. Autonomous stability. Add sensors so your drone stays in one position by itself. This is how real autonomous drones work. Phase 4. Autonomous Edge AI. This is where things become insane. Add a real AI computer. Install a Raspberry Pi or Jetson Nano onto your robot or drone. Now AI runs locally. No cloud required. You've entered Edge AI, run real AI models. You'll run YOLO object detection. Your robot can now recognize people, chairs, phones, bottles, in real time. This is industry-level AI. Final mission. Your final challenge. Build a robot or drone that finds a person, navigates the room, delivers a message autonomously. At this moment, you are no longer learning robots. You are a robotic thinker. Cost breakdown. Total investment across 1 year. Around 20,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees, spread monthly, cheaper than most online courses, but infinitely more powerful. The secret isn't intelligence, it's daily consistency. 1 hour a day, 365 days later. You won't just understand AI. You'll build machines powered by it. If you want, I'll make the next video showing the exact daily schedule, beginner mistakes, and how to turn this into an AI career. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.